Hello everyone, I'm here with one of the very much important question. The question is find the value of x plus y if x plus 2x plus y equals to 4. Alright, so we have to find the value of x plus y. Alright, so let's start the solution. So in the part of the solution, alright, okay, in the part of the solution, what we can take here, we'll take this x plus 2x y plus y equals to 4. All right, now what we'll do here, here we'll multiply both sides by 2. So let me multiply both sides by 2. So 2 times of x plus 2xy plus y equals to 4 into 2. Alright, now let's multiply this. 2 into x will become 2x plus 2 to the 4x, 4x y plus 2y equals to 4 to the 8. Alright, so here we got, now here we have, now same what we can do here, we got 2x plus 4xy plus 2y equals to 8. So here what can be done, just check it out. Okay, so here we can take here, what we can do here, we can take here 2x common. Okay, we can take here 2x as common. Okay, so what we'll get here, we'll get here 1, all right, plus 2y, all right, plus, now here we have left with 2y, isn't it? Here we have left with 2y. So what I can do here, let me write here 1 plus 2y, okay, equals to 8 plus 1. All right, this one I have added here, so here also I have added to balance the both sides, that is LHS and RHS. Right, now just see what we got here. Okay, we have here 1 plus 2y, here also 1 plus 2y. Okay, so let me take here 1 plus 2y as common. All right, so if I take common, so here I'll be left with 2x plus this 2x I have written here. Okay, now from this part, all right, from this part we have taken common here, so here will be left with 1. All right, it equals to, what we can do here, 8 plus 1 will become how much? 9. 8 plus 1 will become how much? 9. All right, now see what can be done here. Okay, what can be done with this solution. Now what we can do here, 1 plus 2y, and here we have got, let me write this one, 1 plus 2x, all right, it's equals to this 9. What we can do here, we can write here 3 into 3. Okay, we can write here 3 into 3. All right, now what we can do here, we can write here 1 plus 2x equals to 3, and here we can write this one, 1 plus 2y equals to 3. All right, now if we'll add these two, okay, that is 1 plus 2x equals to 3. Another we got 1 plus 2y equals to 3. If we'll add this, how much we'll get here? 2. Here we'll get 2x plus 2y equals to 6. Alright, now here what we can do here, we'll write here 2x plus 2y equals to 6. This plus 2 will become a negative 2. Alright, now here we can take 2 common, so we'll get here x plus y equals to, if we separate this one we'll get here 4. Now here we can take here x plus y equals to 4 divided by 2, this 2. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So here we got the answer, that is x plus y equals to 2. So this is the answer for this question. Alright, so hope it is clear to each and everyone. If there will be any doubt with the solutions, kindly write in the comment box so that I can come with more proper explanation for these questions. Thank you everyone for watching.